guys, this is the final verdict or final view of my car. The first two clips for me showing you I had my tires shine on, and then I waxed my car, spray wax, and I was showing you on that video that what it felt like before and then after, like it slid off. But here are the tires after the tire shine. At first I sprayed way too much on this tire, but it dried finally after I drove home, and it's looking pretty good. I just want to show you all four tires real quick. So this is my car. I mean, I'm showing you guys my car pretty much. But anyway, it's a CTS. Has the inside. I waxed or conditioned and cleaned my leather finally for the first time in 2 years after I got the car. It was long needed, like especially like over here on the driver's side. It wasn't like that when I bought the car, so I should have done this a long time ago. But back seat clean, everything's clean, looking good. But yay, this is my car. Rock my Celtics pride all day. Anyway, that tire shine works really good. Like, look at that. And then that wax works really good too. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.